Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to day 3 of our West Coast adventure. If you haven't seen days 1 or 2, I'll pop them up in the top corner there for you. Anyway, today we're planning on shooting out to Montgomery Hut. You may remember from the last time we were over at the coast, we had a crack at it in the evening and it all just went horribly wrong. 2 broken trucks, a massive slip across the track. So we're going to go see if that slip's been cleared, see how far we can get in. If not, we'll go find some other tracks to play on before we head back to Christchurch in the evening. So we've got the trucks all loaded up, we've had breakfast, awesome night's sleep, so we're getting the cabin. Anyway, let's get into it. Slip that we had to turn around at last time. I might throw a bit of footage in from last trip. That could be a problem. That could be a big problem. Far out, guys. Check this out. It has all just come down. See, you can see they've done a good job with the bulldozer. Anyway, we'll continue on. Tell you what, a lot easier than having to go and boulder bash up the river. So yeah, we'll see how far we can get. On a front locker. I gone and done a stupid thing. Right, so we've just come up on the first crossing. Pretty bouldery. Shouldn't be an issue for Lando, but Flynn being only on 29s, there's some pretty big boulders in here. So we're going to do some rock stacking, just so that we can get up beside that log there. So the plan is to head up there a bit more, and then across where it's a little bit deeper, but looks a little smoother. So we'll do some stacking. Flynn's just cruising up the bouldery section now. Just up there, and then yeah, we'll see if we can get our way across. We're planning on wanting to turn around at about 1 o'clock, so we'll see how far we get and turn around, cruise on out of here. Right, so we got Flynn through that last crossing. I didn't film it, but got through there, and then we've come across this, and they're just like the size of the rocks. They're blooming huge, and we'd have to get all the way over into that far corner over there. You can't see it on camera, but it's just all huge rocks. We'd be here for a few hours stacking rocks to actually have a chance at getting the trucks through there without damage. Especially Flynn's wee Zook on 29s, like not a small, not a big tyre. So we'll turn around, we'll go find another track. It's not like we came here to do this track specifically, so we'll just go find some other tracks. No shortage of them, so we'll get into that. He's free. Alright, well, we've made it to the clearing before the proper start of the main climb of Slab Hut. So we're going to go have a wander, go have a nosy, and see what it's looking like today. Alright, so that way's the main line, that way's the chicken track. And I'm going to be not even bothering looking at the main line. I'm going to be going straight to the chicken track, because it's no longer much of a chicken track. So, oh, I should drive this pretty easy, to be honest. It's nice and dry, ruts aren't too deep, touch wood. Anyway, we'll get to the top and we'll look down the main line and show you why I'm not driving it. I do want to have a crack at the main line one day, but my truck's got no front bar. Weight reduction. Yep, from there. Give it a bump. How's it go crack? Bother! That was a CV. Well guys, that's CV blowing. I didn't actually get to show you the other line. This is the main line and it's just real slippery and V-notchy. It's pretty nasty. Anyway, I'm considering seeing if I can drive the next portion of the track. Just for a bit of fun and then turn around and come down, but we'll go have a look at it. Decided to save it for another day. It's the afternoon, we need to head back to Christchurch. Don't really need to go break another truck. So this is the nastiest bit here. It's just so slick. A decent wee step up. But yeah, the whole way up is real off camber, leaning your roof into the trees and that, so might save it for another trip. So we're just wandering back to the trucks to turn around and head back down, and Flynn noticed that the CVs looked actually not too bad, and turns out, well, you probably can't see in there, blowing his front diff. So yeah, it's a bit not cool. Good news is he'll have a locker far sooner than he expected. Bad news is, yeah, oh here we are, he's got a photo of it. Oh, will it focus? There we go. Looking a bit crunched, so yeah, we'll definitely turn around and cruise back down, and yeah, that's about it.
So we've been cruising through the Lewis Pass. Disco's been running a wee bit warm, probably because of a slightly blocked radiator. So Tim's just out tipping a bit of water over it. We've just stopped at a river. So yeah, should be alright, but once that's done we'll cruise on back to Christchurch.
Right guys, well we're in Culverton. Truck was really in the red getting here. Flynn's got a big water jug. Me and Matt got a couple. Found a creek over here in the local park. We're just kind of running forwards and backwards, filling the jugs up and emptying it out again all over the radiator inlet to let it cool off. So yeah, keeping us busy. And we're off. And we're off again. Well, just like that, we are back home. As you saw, it's never over till it's over. I've got a new radiator ordered, and it'll be great to get it into that thing, because that thing was running hot. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the 3-part series. If you did, make sure to subscribe, because we're going to be doing it all again very soon, going over there around Christmas, New Year's, so plenty more West Coast wheeling coming up. Also, the Crate Day River Run is, well, next video. I've actually already filmed that. It got rowdy, so you're not going to want to miss that, so hit subscribe. Give us a like if you enjoyed this video, and I'm pretty sure that about wraps it up. So we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers for watching. See ya.